Hi, my name is Blair Quiring from EAG. As a leader of your organization, you understand the importance of efficiency and cost effectiveness in running your company. Inefficiency not only deters productivity, but also drains valuable resources. Every minute wasted on IT issues is a missed opportunity for growth and success. If your IT systems have slow response times, causing delays or bottlenecks, if you experience reoccurring technical issues that interrupt your workflow, or if you have outdated or cumbersome collaboration tools that don't integrate well with other applications, it's time for a change. EAG's IT outsourcing team has analyzed every corner of IT to unlock and deliver great value to our clients. We offer full-scale technology services, reengineered strategies, predictable cost, and unmatched customer service with every interaction. We provide accurate budget forecasts and make recommendations to optimize your overall IT spending. We provide transparency through quarterly reviews where we talk about improvements, KPIs, escalations, cyber threats, and more. EAG provides more than just IT outsourcing. We are a true IT strategic partner. Contact us to make the switch today.